Hook, have you ever lost money in a scam or fraud? It's a terrifying experience, right? Today, we're going to dive deep into a question that many Monzo users have been asking. Can Monzo recover your lost money? Context: Monzo is a popular digital bank known for its innovative features and user-friendly interface. But what happens when things go wrong? Can you trust Monzo to help you get your money back? Let's find out. Section 1. Understanding Monzo's role. Monzo's responsibilities. As a digital bank, Monzo has certain responsibilities to its customers. These include safeguarding their money, preventing fraud, and providing assistance in case of unauthorized transactions. Monzo's security measures. Monzo employs various security measures to protect its customers' funds. These may include encryption, two-factor authentication, and fraud detection systems. Section 2. Common scams and fraud. Phishing scams. Explain how phishing emails and messages can trick people into revealing their personal information. Impersonation scams. Discuss how scammers can pose as bank representatives or other trusted individuals to gain access to your account. Investment scams. Highlight the dangers of investing in fraudulent schemes, especially those that promise high returns with little risk. Section 3. When to contact Monzo. Unauthorized transactions. If you notice any suspicious activity on your Monzo account, it's crucial to report it immediately. Lost or stolen card. If your Monzo card is lost or stolen, you should contact the bank to cancel the card and prevent unauthorized transactions. Scams and fraud. If you've been a victim of a scam or fraud, Monzo may be able to assist you in recovering your funds. Section 4. Monzo's recovery process. Investigation and verification. Monzo will typically investigate the matter to determine if the transaction was authorized or fraudulent. Filing a claim. In cases of fraud, you may need to file a claim with Monzo. They will provide you with the necessary documentation and instructions. Timeframe for recovery. Discuss the potential timeframe for recovering lost funds. Factors such as the nature of the scam and the complexity of the investigation can influence the recovery process. Section 5. Protecting yourself. Best practices for online security. Share tips on how to protect your personal information and avoid falling victim to scams. Regularly monitor your account. Encourage viewers to monitor their Monzo accounts regularly for any unusual activity. Be wary of unexpected offers. Remind viewers to be cautious of unsolicited offers, especially those that promise high returns with little risk. Section 6. Real-life examples. Case studies. Share real-life stories of Monzo customers who have successfully recovered their lost funds. Lessons learned. Discuss the lessons that can be learned from these cases, such as the importance of acting quickly and providing necessary documentation. Conclusion. Recap. Summarize the key points discussed in the video, emphasizing the importance of understanding Monzo's role, recognizing common scams, and taking proactive steps to protect yourself. Call to action. Encourage viewers to share the video with their friends and family to raise awareness about online scams and fraud. Closing statement. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.